Okay, so this is a technical segment. The major pairs, technical lines of support and resistance for middle of February, second half of February. So we're beginning with euro dollar. Euro dollar is of course lower. Problems in Europe and some US dollar recovery thanks to Yellen. We can see clearly the move here. Yellen pushed euro dollar below 106, below 105.90, which now turns into resistance, a clear separator of ranges. Let's zoom out a bit. Well, to the top side we have 106.20, which is not as strong as it used to be, 106.50, and 107.10, which is already a strong line. To the downside, we have 105.20, 104.60, both are old lines, and of course the ultimate line of support, which is 103.50, the 14-year low. Yeah, and we'll talk about the Aussie and the Kiwi soon. Pound dollar also, we're seeing the Yellen effect, seeing it falling back to lower range. 124.55 is the current level. Support here at 124.15, followed by 123.50. To the downside, further below we have 122.50, and 122 and 120 is the ultimate line. To the top side, 125.40 remains resistance. It's followed by 127 round line, and then the initial post-Brexit low, 127.90. So pound dollar more or less in range in the past few days. We have quite a few more indicators to move the pound later on. Dollar yen, of course, the biggest mover from when we're talking about US dollar events. We're seeing dollar yen moving one range to the upside, breaking above 114. Next resistance, 114.75, followed by 115.40. Much further above, I see resistance only at 117.50. To the downside, under 114, we have 113, another round number, 112.50, 112, and then very strong line of support there at 111.40. Okay, let's move to commodity currencies. Dollar CAD, we'll have a special segment on the Canadian dollar. Remains relatively choppy, leaning lower, but not breaking 130. So resistance here at 132.15, followed by 133 and 133.80. To the downside, we have, of course, 130 and 128.30. Aussie dollar, higher range. We can see how it moved above this critical line here of 76.10, and currently it's relatively, well, a bit higher in the range, 76.73. At the moment, 77, the round number, works as resistance, followed closely by 77.40, and 78.40 is the ultimate line, the cycle high. In the middle of the range, we have 76.50 as a pivotal level, 76.10, very strong support, followed by 75.10, and down below 74.40. Aussie dollar became much more stable, trading in relatively narrow ranges, and then sticking to them before breaking to a new level. Kiwi dollar was hit last week by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, currently 71.74, hit also by Yellen, but recovering from that. So currently, support here at 71.35, followed by 70.70 and 70. To the top side, we have 72.20, 72.65, and 73.50. Okay. Last and least, dollar Swiss making a move to the upside on this dollar strength. So we have we have resistance here, 100.80, followed by 102.30, very strong resistance. Remember, there are interventions here by the Swiss National Bank. Support at 1, further support at just under 99, and followed by 98.60. Okay, so these are the levels to watch on dollar Swiss. This concludes our segment for major pairs for mid-February post Valentine's.
Welcome to a market to end all markets. Welcome to